Welcome to Google Spreadsheets for Beginners. I am your trainer Altaf. In today's session, we will learn about if function. So if function is one of the most commonly used statements in Google Sheets, as this allows us to make logical comparison between a value and what you expect. So an if statement can have two results. The first result is if your comparison is true. The second, if your comparison is false. Now let us try and understand if function with the help of this example, where I have employee names, products sold. The target to sell the products was 15. So I'm going to write a small if function. It would be equal to if, open the bracket, if the number present in this cell is greater than 15, which is the target, then I want the value achieved. If not, I want the cell to reflect as not achieved. I'm closing the bracket and enter. If you see, this has returned the value as achieved because the products sold by Daniel were 20, which is greater than the target of 15. I'm going to double click on the cell, which will help copy the formula. So in this table, I have only one employee who has not achieved the target because the number of products sold by her were 12, whereas the target was 15. Now let us try and see another example. Here in this table, I have the region, the manufacturing cost of the products sold in those regions, and the selling price. I want to know the status if it was a loss or a profit. So for this, we are going to write a if function equal to if the manufacturing cost is greater than the selling price, then I want the value to reflect as loss. If not, I want it to reflect as profit. Close the bracket and enter. If you see, manufacturing cost of the products here was $600, whereas the selling price was $560. Hence the status is reflecting as loss. I'm going to just replicate the formula here. In this second row, in the south region, the manufacturing cost of the products was $720, whereas the selling price was $820. Hence we have a profit here. Let us try and write the if function in the final column. I want to know the loss amount here. So the formula would be equal to if, open the bracket, if the value in this cell is equal to loss, then I want manufacturing cost minus the selling price. If not, I want the value to reflect as 0. Close the bracket and enter. If you see, the loss amount is reflecting as $40 here. I'm going to just copy the formula. In the second row here, the lost amount is reflecting as 0. The reason being, the manufacturing cost was $720, whereas the selling price was $820, and there was profit in this particular case. And in our expression, we wrote that if the value in this cell is not equal to loss, then the value should return as 0. Hence, we are seeing 0 in this particular cell. So this is how if function is utilized in Google Sheets. Please do consider subscribing, as we have many further educational videos in this channel. Thank you.